Ketek Group has provided rental equipment and services in Fort St. John since 1990. Specializing in generators, pumps, and light towers, Ketek has been relied upon by many of the region's most prominent oil and gas producers, as well as by municipalities and other industries. Recently, we moved into a new facility, expanding our ability to serve our clients. We now operate out of a 5-acre property with a 4-bay shop just off the Alaska Highway. Supported by Ketek's 9,000 pieces of primary rental equipment, Ketek's Fort St. John branch provides all the company's services, including water pumping, custom fabrication, waste management, training, maintenance, transportation, and rentals. We also specialize in scaffolding and other site services, including loader and skid steer operation and fueling services. With almost 300 employees across all branches, Ketek Fort St. John is supported by the resources and expertise of the entire company. The branch is able to draw on the many strengths, including design, engineering, and manufacturing, of the head office in Edmonton, allowing us to support our expertise in the field. Altogether, it allows Ketek to solve the real-world problems faced by our clients from start to finish. Contact us today at 250-785-3685 or visit ketek.ca.